Are we on, Amanda?
We're on. Oh.
Ace, let me help you here, buddy.
I mean, are we in Florida? Is this Florida? Look at this beautiful Charleston. Oh my gosh, Randy, these trees.
Oh, it is.
What a move.
It's okay. So see these right here?
Yes.
So what I've got in mind is that when they do blossom out, they're gonna be big, right? And so they'll almost touch each other, all the tops. Come here.
Now, what happens as they get bit? Is there more that's going to be coming out on the top, or what else?
Yeah.
Do?
I mean, it'll be a palm tree. So I mean, it's going to grow, and then fronds will get big and
Really
wide.
big.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're almost all going to touch each other, so it'll almost be shady underneath these palm trees.
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
Yeah. So we just ordered
Yeah.
80 more. All right. And so in between the grove and the beach,
Okay.
we got a whole row of palm trees.
All right.
Between the beach and the sales lot, another row of palm trees, and then on the back side of those are going to be Lelands. They're going to be jam tight. Everybody says don't jam tight. I was just past the development, man. They planted them 3 foot apart, and it looked like a wall.
Oh my
It was
gosh.
beautiful.
I bet it looked great.
And I'm going to plant. We got like 400.
Oh,
and
look
some.
down through here. I mean, you've got them. How far you got them? They look
Those are
nice.
about 10 foot apart.
Are they? Okay.
Right down through there.
Wow, that looks great.
Yeah. Now I know everybody's saying how you going to keep them from freezing.
Yes.
I got some ideas. We're actually going to put a canopy over and put some heaters under them, and it's going to be a temporary canopy. It's going to be retractable on some cables.
Yeah.
And we're going to pull it back and forth. We only need it a few times of the year.
Yeah.
But we're going to be ready for
Like
them.
when there's a freeze.
I'm actually going to go ahead and put them together and have it ready and for the winter, because as busy as we are around here, before you know it, it's going to be Christmas.
Oh my gosh, it's already,
Yeah.
I mean, it's the middle of August.
You know, that's the one thing. I live 6 months ahead of myself all
Yeah.
the time. I'm already in the winter mode. You know,
Yeah.
summer's over for us. Yep.
Let's show the other lane.
Yeah,
over
let's
here.
go down here.
Where are they putting them right now? Are they putting them behind the house or?
Is
see.
this not? You know, when I start thinking about it, I decided this is cool, man.
This is super cool.
I mean, if you
believe-
close your eyes, right?
You would think
and
you was in Florida. You would think you were in Florida.
that's what I wanted.
Oh my gosh.
One day, I just may put a permanent roof over this tropical
I think
oasis.
that's a great idea, honestly.
Look at that with that green grass.
Look at that.
So
mean-
I'm wanting to get surfboards,
Yeah.
a couple here, and it'll have the street sign Laguna on it. And in Malibu over here.
Beautiful.
Hey, let's go back here and I'll show you what we got.
Yeah, I
going.
want to see where they're taking them.
So where the gravel is where our infrastructure. You got water, power, and sewer going across. So we're going to dig that up, pour concrete. That'll all be done. We're getting our landscape to all be pretty and clean. We got a palmetto bush in front of every single house.
Yeah.
That'll get bushy. Palm trees here, palm trees there, Leland cypresses. And then I'm thinking about putting lattice in between each house.
Oh my gosh, I think that's
So we can have some flowers and stuff, you know? Look, Amanda.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look right here.
Look at that.
Tell me.
Wow.
Look at, if you live here, you got palm trees in your backyard.
They've already got this many put up. Oh my goodness, this looks great.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, this looks great. I mean, this looks really nice.
Wow.
And then here's the grove. Oh my goodness. All this has been mowed. They're putting the trees up. Oh, that
Wow.
looks really nice. Yeah, I love it.
Me too. Now we got to go back and stake them all, you know?
Mhm.
But, yeah.
I mean, palm trees in East Tennessee. I love it.
There you have it. And see all the pretty colors, Amanda, of the homes? I don't know if you can
Yes,
get
let me
like
come
right
over
here.
here on this
Yeah, there you
side.
go.
Oh my goodness.
It's coming along.
Oh my gosh, they got blue, they got gray, they've got orange, they've got like a yellow color. Wow, that looks great.
Is this not cool?
This is super cool. Palm trees in East Tennessee. I love it.
Me too.
All right.
There you have it. The forest, the beach, the grove, the prairie.
Prairie's over there.
Yeah.
Yep. And there's more stuff to come for the prairie too.
Oh, well, we've ordered tons of trees and Western stuff, and so we're on your way. We're on your way, right?
Yep.
And because we haven't been able to do it like all at once, we're doing it as you live here.
Yep.
And what we were passing when we went to the forest, people were digging out topsoil because we got
Yep.
piles of topsoil.
Gravel.
I've got a pile of pallet wood here. People are pulling it apart free. We're going to start bringing wood, scrap wood. We actually got river rock that we've dug out of our pond.
Yes.
We're going to pile it up here so people can take river rock. They can build little fireplaces, fire pits. They can put it around their foundation, landscaping for free.
Yes.
And that's what I love is people are participating. I think people want to work on their homes.
They do.
They want to work on their community,
Yeah,
right?
they
And
do.
I'm going to tell you the most active community that we have are the Grove people.
Is the Grove. Yeah.
They are busy bees.
Yeah.
They're out here always tweaking their houses. Look, it's already painted almost, man.
I know.
Every one of them's
I
painted.
know.
It's just so cool. So
Well, it's beautiful. I love it.
there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, come see us, 850 Industrial Road, Newport, Tennessee is where it's happening.
And pretty soon we're going to have some rentals for you to stay in. So,
Yeah.
yeah. All right.
See ya.
Bye.